morning everyone. We the students of the Government Degree College Badanpet. We studying about the project of black holes in science and mythology. Myself is Siddharth from Degree College of Badanpet. My five friends are Ennaludi, PG Manisha, D Devishri, G Prashant, K Yash. About this project will be explained by Ennaludi.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Aditi. I am going to explain what is the black hole according to Hindu mythology. The destruction of the universe is known as Pralaya. It is believed that during this time, everything in the universe is destroyed and collapsed, absorbed back into the ultimate reality of Brahma. This idea of absorption into the ultimate reality can be seen as analogous concept of black holes. There are two minds. All stars become black holes. Stellar black holes are formed when massive stars run out of the fuel and collapse in on themselves in collision. But not all stars look like this way. If a star is average or small in size, like a sun, it becomes white dwarf. All black holes are black. We tend to imagine that black holes are black sphere in the middle of space, but not all black holes fit this description because light can be emitted from the region outside the event horizon. Some black holes cover bright known as objects in the universe known as quasars. We will see in the image black holes in the black holes. According to the science, there are four types of black holes: stellar, intermediate, supermassive, and miniature. Next part will be going to explain by the Manisha.
Good morning, madam. Myself Manisha. I am going to explain the essential. A black hole is an object so massive and compact that not even air can expel strong gravity. Gravity whenever direct is in a black hole, we know they exist and they have some utility effects on space and time. The full details of black hole mechanism are not known, but we just have ruled out some other most mathematics who discovered the first black hole. Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black hole in 1916 with his general theory of relativity. The term black hole was created many years later in 1967 by American astronomer John Miller. The first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus, located within the Milky Way in the constellation of Cygnus. Thus one, how does black hole look like? Black holes have three layers: the outer and inner event horizon and the singularity. The event horizon of a black hole is the boundary around the mouth of the black hole, past which light cannot escape. Only practical course of the horizon it cannot be. Gravity is constant across the event horizon. Next part of the day.
Good morning to one and all. This is Devishri. I am going to explain about how does black holes look like. The inner region of a black hole where the object mass lies is known as a singularity. The single point in a space-time where the mass of a black hole is contradicted. Scientists cannot see the black hole where they can see stars and other objects in space. Instead of astronomers must rely on detecting the radiation of black holes. Emits the dust and gases are drawn into the denser creature. The EHTS image of a black hole in M87 released in 2019. It was an extraordinary effect, required 2 years of research even after the image was taken. What is the mystery of the black holes? Black holes grow the creation of matter nearby is pulled in by their immense gravity. Everything predicting that black holes would also radiate away energy and shrink very slowly. Quantum theory suggested that there exist virtual particles popping in out of exception of all times. Figure event horizontal singularity. Next part will be explained by the Prashant.
Good morning, one and all. Next, explain the Large Hadron Collider will create black holes that distract us all. There have been fears that the Large Hadron Collider LHC, the world's largest particle accelerator, credited with proving the existence of its motion, will be able to create teeny black holes that will distract along. The collision that occur at the LHC are the sorts of collisions that happen in nature all the time. Cosmic rays regularity bombard swarming particles. The above picture, the Large Hadron Collider in located underground across the French and Swiss borders. Next, continue Rajesh.
Good morning to all. My name is K. Rajesh. We studied many theories, but we conclude that it's a supermassive object are nothing but black holes. This studied project was supervised by our physics madam, Dr. N. Kiranmay madam. Thank you, one and all.